everybody, it is Riley with Mustache, and as you can tell by the title, I have a little surprise for you all. I got a puppy. Her name is Cranberry, and she's 2 months old. Look at the camera, look at the camera. Oh, she's kind of busy indulging in her little doggy bone, but she's so soft, and she's a Corgi Chihuahua mix, so she's not gonna get much bigger than how she is right now. And she's so cute, literally the cutest thing ever. But yes, we got her today at Halo Animal Rescue in Arizona. Thank you so much. This is really, truly like the best day of my life. This is kind of gonna be a short one, but yeah, I will see you guys next time.